I'd like to just leave my big lens here, but I forgot my other 300mm lens, so I'm probably gonna need it. If I kill something, it's all downhill anyway. I gotta go this way. Scoot down off the backside of this rock side, because I don't want to get struck by lightning. It'd probably hurt. It wouldn't hurt. It'd make for a good TV, but it'd probably hurt. Lightning storm starting to come on pretty quick. I hate to lose elevation, but I'd hate to get my butt struck too. Way too much money in camera gear to let any water get to it.
I'm not going to admit whether or not I'm afraid of getting struck by lightning, but what I will say is that in my life I take enough risks to drive my wife crazy. So today I'm not going to take any chances.